Hey guys, Rich Yoder here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, we got a pretty exciting project going to start behind me here. We got started on the dirt work so far, and we're going to build up this pad. And this is going to be a pretty cool Barndo project that we're going to turnkey for them. So we got everything from dirt work. We're going to go all the way, to the inside and finish it out. The septic was already installed and the well was drilled when we showed up, so that stuff that we're not doing technically, but everything else, like kind of the building on the end, everything there, we're going to do all that. So I'll let you guys know, show you guys how we're doing this, just kind of follow along with the project. It's not going to be a ton of how to build it, but a lot of more of overviewing of what we're doing, what we've done, how it all fell together and all that. So got some cool stuff too that's going to be happening on this. I'm going to try the rapid frame system, which is basically just like all your wall girts and your purlins come as like a truss. They got braces in. It's kind of preset panels. So that's going to be kind of cool. I think that's kind of a cool new like DIY thing, and we're going to start using it on this one here. And I'll show you guys probably a little more in depth on those because it's something that we're doing for the first time. So I'm kind of excited about that. And man, it's a crazy windy out here, so I hope you guys can hear me, but yeah, that's about it. I mean, it's gonna be a pretty simple 2,100 square foot single story house that's just gonna be tied into a garage, and 30 by 30 garage, so it's gonna be a 30 by 70 and a 30 by 30 garage all in a rectangle with some lean-tos, and then we put a little timber frame porch on it, and just to kind of break up some of that metal, because it's just gonna be kind of like a post frame, on piers and brackets and all that. So pretty simple, but still gonna look cool when it's done. It's a pretty middle of the road option. I think it's a great economical option. So show you guys kind of what we're doing, what it's gonna cost you, and hope all that is makes sense, and hope you guys enjoy the video. So
a little low here, about 2 inches low. That's all right though, because that's realistically where she slopes off, so we'll come in. Oh, she's close, about an inch. Pretty damn good right there. See if this... What? This spot here looks really high, but it's a trick on the mind, allegedly. Right here, yeah, she's freaking right. But she's dead nuts right there. Now, she won't look as bad once he levels this guy out here. Within an inch right there, not bad. I think he said this corner was high, so we'll find out. Oh. Okay, this guy could use a little bit. About 3 inches low there.
fun out here in the snow and the wind building this pad. It's turning out pretty cool behind me. They're almost done. Just cleaning up a little bit, a couple corners, packing it again one more time, and I'll be ready to go. And then we're gonna set our sonotubes and do all that, and then we'll gotta wait for our framing to get here, and then we'll get it up, and it'll be pretty quick and easy. So yeah, it's turning out pretty nice. Like, this was all done in a day, so it doesn't take very long. If you got a packer and a skid steer too, works out pretty quick.